Last time on the TSG channel.
Back part here, if I can tin that a little bit, and then, oh, I just dropped it on the floor. Oh my gosh. All right, come back later. Magnet picked it up. And heat this up at the same time. And camera's in the way. Oh, it just went flying. Oh, I don't believe me. I don't believe it. I don't believe this. That it's this difficult. I don't believe it. I just do not believe it. Do I just give up? Excuse me. Let's see if this will charge up. Will it light up? Maybe. Oh, jeez. The solder is coming undone. I don't believe this noise, man. Come on now. Oh, and my neck. You know, since this surgery thing, I have limited mobility in my neck. Ooh, that's hot. Oh, man, I tell you. And I have no way to really test this. Yeah. All right, I've got two little wires. I'm gonna attempt to put this back together. It's soldered in there good. I don't believe this. What is stuck? What is the problem, ladies and gentlemen? There. Yeah, outside of dropping everything and losing it and having to find it again, things are going well. Okay, do I know what screws went where? I've forgotten. Give me a minute. Use our Amazon link down below. When you do, it helps us out and it doesn't cost you a penny more. And after using the link, save it to your bookmarks so you can have easy access to it in the future. Thank you. Am I going to plug that up again? Heck no. Okay, let's make sure I didn't break the thing. If I do this. And open the door. Oh, look. Okay. No memory card. Yeah, I know. I took it out. Good. All right. So it still works. The key here is that light there is the green power on light. If I carefully do this, do I get power? I do, look, I can charge. Well, only for a moment. Cue the song. Only for a moment and the moment's gone. Yeah, charging. Okay, good. So now it will be a matter of finding my other part. I've got this USB, micro USB thingy. I'm probably going to just mount it there. That's kind of where your hand goes. And I'll just tack solder that onto there and I'll see how that works. Just to save you all the cussing and swearing, I'll see you in just a minute. All right, so I got the red wire on, and then I realized I have this thing miswired. Yeah, for some reason I put it on the data line, not the power line. So, on to the power pin it goes. And then we'll try this out. Let's get a micro USB cable. Put my pencil away. Plug this in. Just to a convenient something somewhere. And cross your fingers. Here we go. Gonna plug it in. I hope it doesn't blow up. Look at that. It powers up. I don't have a battery, and that's why it didn't turn red. But it works. And it shuts off. Look at that. Now, the beauty of this is I could take my solar power brick thing here, and technically, should be that right there. I've got solar power and a battery. I open that baby up. Look at that. This camera just got improved because now not only can it be run over a USB wall wart, it can be run off of this solar panel with batteries in it. So I have extended life for as long as I have sunshine and a charged battery. What an awesome thing. I'm loving it. All right, I got it working. Now, I'm going to kind of ask the question, and I'll check the comments down below, but I'm open to suggestions. How should I mount this to this case? Should I just take some hot glue and glob it on there so that it's, you know, fairly secure? What do I do? I'm going to let you offer as many suggestions as you possibly would care to. That's right. Leave a comment down below. Give me your suggestions, and I might just select one of those. Whichever one floats to the top as being the most logical, I'll finish this project off with that suggestion. I'll see you on the next one.
See you next time.